Indian state, claiming to be the largest democracy on this planet, claiming the legacy of Buddha and Gandhi and Ahimsa Paramo Dharma, non-violence is the main creed, attacked centrum of the Sikhs, Darbar Sahib, Akal Takht Sahib, and 37 Sikh historical shrines. 41 years later today, in the only superpower of this world, at this Capitol Hill Senate building, we are praying for those martyrs, those who gave their lives so that Sikh community should be able to live with dignity, with honor, and with self-respect. ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ. 41 years ago, on this week, first week of June 1984, Indian state, claiming to be the largest democracy on this planet, claiming the legacy of Buddha and Gandhi and Ahimsa Paramo Dharma, non-violence is the main creed, attacked centrum of the Sikhs, Darbar Sahib, Akal Takht Sahib, and 37 Sikh historical shrines. They cut off Punjab from the rest of the world. All the foreign correspondents were thrown out of Amritsar. Still, one Brahma Chalani, who represented Associated Press, who arrived late at the hotel there, he has given the account what happened there, and the world knew that what Sikh nation has gone through. Lot of water has passed through the rivers of India and our Potomac River here as well. 41 years later today, in the only superpower of this world, at this Capitol Hill Senate building, we are praying for those martyrs, those who gave their lives so that Sikh community should be able to live with dignity, with honor, and with self-respect. Massacres, ethnic cleansing, Holocaust, and Kalukara, which word Sikhs coined in 18th century. The enemy always think that they have declared a total war and they have destroyed everything. But let me remind you the words of Guru Gobind Singh Sahib in Zafarnama to Aurangzeb, that you must be very happy that you have killed my 4 sons, my thousands of Sikhs, but you have extinguished few candles. The whole hot burning furnace of Khalsa is around me. I'll make Punjab so hot that your horses won't be able to gallop around the plains of Punjab. 41 years later, 35 million proud Sikh nation, it has the Khalistan issue on the radar screen of the world stage. Indian state has indulged in transnational repression. They killed Bhai Paramjit Singh Panjwad in the first week of May 2023. Then they killed Bhai Hardeep Singh Nijjar on June 18th, 2023. 3 days before, they killed on 15th June Avtar Singh Khanda in UK. And we know about Gurpatwant Pannu murder plot, which our efficient agencies here thwarted that attempt. That shows that now India, it has violated the sovereignty of the United States. It has violated the international law. And this is the time we are thankful to all those congressmen, particularly Sikh Congressional Caucus, those who have brought this issue up. It may be resolutions passed by different states in the United States of America recognizing November 1984 as Sikh genocide, or it may today be the bill pending in the US Congress and Senate on transnational repression. The message is very clear, and that should be the resolve today in the Ardas at Akal Takht Sahib. Also, these words were mentioned. Punjab is our Sikh homeland, and on one hand, we pray before Guru always, and our Guru Gobind Singh Sahib has told us that kau kisi ko raj na de hain, jo le hain, nij bal se le hain. Nobody offers political power on the tray. You have to grab it. But in today's world, when we are talking about United States of America, the third sick factor, which in the 4 days between May 7th and May 10th, when India and Pakistan indulged in missile drone war, Sikh nation came as a neutral party. In the diaspora Sikhs, we said we don't want any war. And at the same time in the Punjab as well, Sikhs knew that Indian state now in the garb of war wants to destroy our civilization. We have to be very careful. We should build the case for Khalistan. Now, no ifs and buts, and it should be very clear. I always quote Milan Kundera that our enemy, what it is intending for, what it is doing, when Milan Kundera said the first step towards liquidation of a people is to destroy its books, its culture, its history. Then have somebody to write new books, invent new culture, create new history. Before long, those people will forget what they were and what they are. The struggle of humankind is of memory against forgetting. On one hand, we are having all those martyrs in our memory, we are having ardas, but as Sant Pindrawale said, Khalsa ji, shahidan de khoon da haq lene. The blood of the martyrs to stand for the right, and the right is the creation of Khalistan. Today, there is a possibility our status as the third factor is there, and in the land of Punjab also, our brothers and sisters after the farmers movement, they are well aware that Indian state is all out to destroy us, lock, stock and barrel, and the answer is creation, liberation of Khalistan between river Jamuna and Wagah. Khalistan Zindabad. Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh.